位置喺太平山街上環。This is the Taiping Shan Street at Sheung Wan. And here is a little sign. Maybe I can't make it too clear. Okay, this is better. So there are a few special places. 咁又有個醫學博物館、水月宮、觀音堂、廣福義寺同埋般咸道都可以咁樣上去。OK. So the Museum of Medical Sciences, 歲月宮、觀音 Temple, 廣福Central Hall, and Boham Road.咁呢個就係個廣福寺百聖廟啊！OK, keep going。咁繼續行啦。咁依棟樓標奇立異咁樣啊，叫做順景雅庭啊。我可能 miss 咗呢條街添，不過唔緊要啦。太平山觀音堂 ，That's the 觀音堂 觀音 Temple。水月觀音堂係咪真係水月宮呢？So I think that's the 歲月宮。And there is a little alley as well.咁其實舊樓嚟嘅啫。上面嗰個好似叫卜公公園啊。There's a little park there。呢個唔知叫東巷定西巷，唔知一陣間有冇機會行呢？好似唔係啊，唔知舊警察街好似係。呢度都幾舒服嘅喎。咁側邊有啲 cafe 咁樣。It is quite comfortable here, and it has got some cafe here.呢棟樓幾靚，紫色。呢個西街啊。This is the side street. That means West Street. Sai is the Cantonese translation. Sai Street. Đức Phúc Cung. And this little alley has got a little temple here. This building is quite interesting as well. This is Đông街. This is the Tung Street. Tung Street. That means East Street. Tung is the Cantonese pronunciation. Úc Kiện快餐。新會學校，咁啊呢個就係太平山街嘅街頭嚟嘅。And this is the end of this Taiping Shan Street. Okay, so here is another street. It is the Bridges Street, 必是這是街. And here is a very interesting building here. And also this street is some kind of some people who would like to take wedding photos would come here. 咁亦都係一個幾著名嘅地方呢，啲人係嚟呢度影結婚相嘅，婚紗相嘅。Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye. 我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。